The rape and murder of a 20-year-old at Kamduni village in West Bengal is becoming something of a nightmare for Mamata Banerjee. She had promised that a charge sheet in the case would be filed in 15 days. It was filed in 22, but it was apparently so slipshod that the judge expressed his displeasure. Now the Calcutta High Court has stepped in. Hearing a PIL, it says it will monitor the investigations in the case.
The Criminal Investigation Department, or the CID, of the West Bengal Police under public fire.
So why target the CID? Because it filed such a shoddy charge sheet in the Kamduni gang rape and murder case, even the trial judge yesterday asked in court, is this a charge sheet?
कामदुनी में जो रेप हुआ है, जो धर्षण हुआ है, उसका ठीक तरीके से तदंत हो और जो दोषी हो वो कोर्ट में प्रमाणित हो। तो अभी स्टार्टिंग में ही जिस तरीके से बचाया गया है, इसका प्रतिवाद हम लोग किए हैं, आगामी काल इस तरीके से नहीं हो।
If Kolkata was angry, Kamduni was outraged. The most glaring discrepancy in the charge sheet is 7 men arrested in the case have been accused of gang rape, but the case diary says only one of them committed the crime. Kamduni, which blocked a road in protest, is now asking for a CBI probe.
আমরা সিআইডি কে আর ভরসা করতে পারছি না, তাই জন্য সিআইডির নামে আমরা ঘৃণা জানিয়ে আমরা সিবিআই তদন্তের জন্য যদি দিল্লি যেতে হয় দিল্লি যাব, যদি তাতেও না হয় আমরা অনশন করব।
The protesters can perhaps take heart from the Calcutta High Court, which said it would monitor the probe into the Kamduni case henceforth. It did not name Mamata Banerjee, but while hearing a PIL, described her promise to have a charge sheet filed in 15 days as populist. In Kolkata, Monideepa Banerjee for News First at 10.